If you send money home to support your parents and other family members, then this video will help you save thousands of euros in Germany each year. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's true and 100% legal. It's surprising to see how few foreigners in Germany know about this. So in this video, I'll explain everything you need to know about this trick to save thousands of euros in Germany each year. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Esan, and on this channel, we discuss how to build wealth in Germany. So if you work and pay taxes in Germany, the government allows you to claim certain expenses as extraordinary burdens. These are costs that go beyond the normal day-to-day expenses, like medical bills, funeral costs, and most importantly, financial support for family members in need. So if you need to send money back home to support your parents or other family members, this could qualify as maintenance payment. This means you can lower your taxable income and save money. But since it's Germany, there are rules you need to follow to make this work, starting with who can receive maintenance payments. According to German law, relatives in a straight line are responsible for supporting each other. This means you're allowed to send financial support to your parents, grandparents, spouse, children, and your in-laws. This applies if the person receiving the money cannot support themselves financially. For example, they might be elderly, unemployed, or otherwise unable to earn a living. So, how much can you claim? For 2026, the maximum claimable amount is 12,348 euro. But this is the absolute maximum. And how much you can claim actually depends on a few factors, like the country of residence. As Germany groups countries into different categories based on their cost of living. Depending on the group, you may only be able to claim a portion of the maximum amount. For example, with countries in Group 1, full claim of 100% of the maximum can be made. For Group 2 countries, 75% of the maximum, Group 3 countries, 50% of the maximum, and with countries in Group 4, 25% of the maximum amount can be claimed. For example, if your parents live in a Group 4 country like Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, you can claim up to 3,087 euros per year per parent. If they live in a Group 1 country like the US or the UK, you could claim the full 12,348 euros. Number 2, the financial situation of the resident. The person you're supporting shouldn't have significant income or assets of their own. If they earn more than 624 euros per year, the tax office will deduct that from the maximum allowance before calculating your claim. The good thing is that if you support more than one person, you can combine the claims. For example, if both of the parents live in a Group 4 country, you can claim up to 3,087 for each parent, for a total of 6,172 euros. Supporting additional relatives like grandparents or in-laws can increase the total claimable amount even further. Please hit the like button if you're getting value from this video, hit the hype button if you see it, and consider subscribing. So now you know who can claim this benefit and what is the maximum claimable amount in various countries. Next, we need certain documents to help us prove our claims. To prove the person is being assisted actually deserves this help, we need to get a maintenance declaration form to be filled out and notarized. This maintenance declaration contains important information like personal details of the person supported, their economic situation, assets, and other important information. You can download the maintenance declaration form as well as my written guide on this topic using this QR code or using the first link below the like button. So on the top of this form, we provide the details of the person providing the support, so their name and their residence in Germany. Then details of the person being supported. In section A, we provide the personal details like their name, date of birth, place of birth, their relationship with the supporting person, occupation, etc. We also provide details of how many other people live in the same house. In section B, we provide the details of the supported person's economic situation. All the sources of income like salary, pension, stocks, rent, etc. Each source of income needs to be verified by providing specific documents like pension slip, tax notice, and whatever feels applicable. If any income section is not applicable, simply leave it empty or draw a horizontal line across it. In the expenditure section, write down their expenses. Remember that you are providing yearly information on each point. You also provide the details of the supported person's assets like land, house, agriculture, and any other assets like bank balance. In section C, the supported person writes when did they receive support for the first time, how many and by whom were the payments made. The time of sending each payment really matters, which I'll discuss later on in the video. In section D, the supported person signs the document and provides their location and date. This document also needs to be confirmed by a local authority at the end of section A. The local authority varies for each country, but if you have an authority similar to a union district or district council similar to a Gemeinde in Germany, you can get a signature from a government employee of that council. You will need a separate maintenance declaration document for each person you support, and you need a new one for each year of support. In addition to this maintenance declaration form, you will also need some documents to prove the payments. This proof can be bank receipts that clearly identify the recipient. If there are several people receiving support in the same household, it is sufficient if the receipts are made out to just one person. For payments to accounts that are not in the same name of the recipient, a bank certificate confirming the account authorization is also required. This is acceptable but not recommended, as there may be an objection from the German authorities. I'll discuss my recommendations near the end of the video. Regarding cash payments, these are also possible, but strict proof requirements do apply. Let me know in the comments if you want me to discuss cash payments in detail. Okay, let's talk about my recommended method. 12,348 euros is meant for the whole year. So if you want to send this whole amount in January, that's okay. But if you send this amount in July or December, you cannot claim support for the whole year. Unfortunately, you can only claim a certain number of months depending on the sending date. So best practice would be to either send this whole amount in January, make one transfer each month or once every quarter. Try to send money using bank transfer or transfer apps like the ones mentioned in the video description, and avoid cash payments. Also avoid sending money to your own account. Instead, send the money to individual accounts of the people being supported. As I mentioned, if multiple people are living in the same house, you can send the support to all of these people to a single person's bank account. Now that you know all the details about this trick, how can you actually use it to save thousands of euros in Germany? Well, you will need to file your tax declaration and add all of these details in your Steuererklärung. In this video, I share exactly how to do that. And in this video, I share other tips to save money in Germany.